What just happened?
I'm getting wet.
Yeah, well, at least your butt's not wet.
The underneath part is.
So pretty.
I'm gonna take this off so that I can get a good tan.
I feel like my camera's on zoom, but I'm like taking a video. I'm trying to get the windmill thing on the boat. Oh, look at the little girl running. Oh, she fell.
Do you have like sunglasses for me again?
What did you just say? You know you're in my video, right? Oh no.
Can you hold these for me?
Look, my pants are wet.
Here, I'm gonna hang them.
No, I'm gonna take a picture of this little girl.